Hey everyone! Want to build a complete branding kit? Logo, labels, colors, social media assets, using just ChatGPT and smart prompts? This is the video for you. Today I'll walk you through exactly how I use ChatGPT AI branding kit prompts to go from idea to brand, fast, easy, and creative. Now let's go through your series of prompts for creating the branding elements. I give ChatGPT this prompt. This prompt sets the brand's foundation by defining its identity, product type, audience, tone, personality, and colors. It gives ChatGPT the context to create fitting brand assets. Leaving the name, tagline, and fonts open encourages creative ideas. A strong start. Expect bold names and taglines that match the aggressive, motivating tone for a brain-boosting product aimed at students and creatives. The black, orange, and silver theme will inspire powerful, edgy visuals. I use the AI-generated idea to build a logo. I gave ChatGPT this prompt. This prompt instructs ChatGPT to design a logo that reflects the brand's bold, aggressive, and motivating identity, using the defined colors and style. Look at that, so great! I love how it captures the vibe. For the front label, I gave ChatGPT this. The purpose of this prompt is to get ChatGPT to design the front-facing label for the jar. It specifies all the essential information hierarchy for a customer: the brand's logo, its tagline, the product quantity, and a primary benefit. This guides the AI to create a visually appealing and informative label layout using the established brand identity. Look at that, so great! This is a critical preparatory step. Now I give ChatGPT this prompt. This helps you build the technical side of the label, critical for packaging and compliance. Look at that, so great! While the back label is more informational, ChatGPT still manages to make it visually consistent with the front, using the brand's typography and subtle color accents. The challenge is fitting a good amount of text cleanly, but it prioritizes readability within the established brand style, ensuring all legal and helpful information is present and easy to understand. Upload front label plus powder jar photo, then use this prompt. The purpose of this prompt is to instruct an AI with image editing capabilities to create a product mockup. It tells the AI to take the previously designed front label and realistically place it onto the uploaded image of the powder jar, specifically on the front. This is where the magic happens. It feels like your product is ready for the shelf. Lighting, angle, and texture add realism to the final branded jar. Upload back label plus powder jar photo, then use this prompt. Look at that, so great! This is where the magic happens. ChatGPT is generating an image of the powder jar, now appearing fully branded with the label. Ideally, it handles perspectives, lighting, and textures to make the label look like it's actually printed on the jar. This is a powerful way to visualize the final product. Now upload drink bottle plus logo, then use this prompt. This user action provides the AI with an image of the unbranded drinkable bottle and the logo. Look at that, so great! We're moving to the shot bottle mockup. Supplying these assets allows the AI to accurately place the minimal branding onto the specific bottle type. Next, let's extend the brand into merch. T-shirts, caps, even posters. Assuming a blank t-shirt template was just uploaded or is contextually available, this prompt specifically asks ChatGPT to generate a design for that t-shirt. The key is that the design should go well with this brand, meaning it should incorporate the logo, colors, and overall aggressive, motivating feel. I gave ChatGPT this prompt for t-shirt design. Look at that, so great! It is a very cool, wearable piece of branding. Similar to the t-shirt prompt, this one is for designing a branded cap, assuming a cap template is available. It requires the design to be harmonious with the established brand identity. I gave ChatGPT this prompt for cap design. Wow, like it. Now, let's make our product look real in lifestyle shots. This prompt asks ChatGPT to design a promotional poster that aligns with the brand's identity. This is for creating marketing collateral. Wow, that's really impressive. Now let's create this product shoot using reference images. I give ChatGPT this prompt. This prompt seems to be a rephrasing or clarification, assuming first image, is the reference scene, and second image is the branded product. It's essentially asking the AI to composite or generate the product within a scene inspired by the reference. Look at this, really professional. Time to get social. We want content that hits hard and fast. I give it this prompt. This is a fantastic use of ChatGPT for content strategy. It would likely generate a list of diverse post ideas. And finally, let's wrap it all into one visual brand board. So just paste this prompt. This compiles everything into a clear, polished branding board. It's perfect for presentations, designers, or internal teams. Wow, it's a nice-looking template. Everything's consistent and visually tight. That's how you build a full branding kit using just ChatGPT and smart prompts. Fast, creative, and professional. Now go try these prompts and start building your brand with AI. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.